Did you know Croatia shares its roots with India? Over 4,500 years ago, the mighty river Saraswati flowed through the land of India, nourishing one of the world's greatest civilizations. But a massive tectonic shift changed history forever. The river dried up, and from its drying banks began a mass migration. Communities moved in every direction. Some went to what is now Afghanistan. From there, groups traveled even further west, into Persia and beyond. One branch made a journey that would span millennia, eventually settling in Eastern Europe, in what we now know as Croatia. A linguistic twist occurred to words as they moved westwards of India. The Sa sound often became Ha. Sindhu River and land around it thus came to be called Hind many millennia ago. Likewise, as this migrating group traveled westwards, they carried with them not only traditions but also the memories of their beloved river. The river in the region they settled in Afghanistan came to be called Saraswati, which morphed into Harahvati in local language. This is the region around Helmand River today, which was called by the Greeks as Arachosia. As they moved further westwards across generations, the name of their land from Harahvati became Hrvatska. Their language also came to be called Hrvatski. Due to another linguistic tendency, the Ha sound changed to Ka sound. Hrvat became Croat and Croatia in Europe. But the locals have never stopped calling themselves Hrvats. Even today, Croatia's national internet domain is .hr, a tribute to their ancient name. On their football jerseys, including during their 2019 World Cup final appearance, the word Hrvatska appears proudly and not Croatia. Among the many cultural treasures they took westwards was the game of chess. It is therefore not surprising that the Croatian national emblem features a checkered design right at its heart. What began on the banks of the Saraswati still echoes on the shores of the Adriatic. To explore more about this fascinating Indo-Croatian connection, dive into our book's Autobiography of India, Brand Bharat, Roots in India and Indo-Croatia Connect.